It's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and
Hey my day ones, it's the one and only day Michelle. I'm back with another video. We're gonna be making taco soup today for these cold nights. I started out browning my ground meat and I'm gonna season it up a little bit, because if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoning, you feel me? And y'all know I'm in love with that accent seasoning, and y'all know I'm gonna use all the basic seasonings, because why? We on a budget. Taco seasoning, see, great value. Most of these products is great value, baby. We on a budget. Okay, I went ahead and added my onions and jalapeños up in there. Went ahead and stirred it around, jalapeños. Comment the TikTok that y'all know that that's from, jalapeños. Alright. Get that stirred around or whatever. Now I got me some tomato paste, and I'ma struggle to put that motherfucker up in there. like that. But that's what they look like. And I'm gonna go in with some corn, and I did drain my corn. You don't need all that extra juice up in there. Adding my black beans. I don't know what that long ass pause was for, but adding my black beans. I think I was trying to get it open. Now I'm adding my diced tomatoes with green chilies, and I used mild because I want a little spicy. And I added some pinto beans. I should have added some kidney beans too, but I went ahead and stirred that joint around. I feel like I should have made some more ground meat, because there was a lot of vegetables, but maybe it was the Lord telling me not to do that. Oh, girl, staying focused. Mind y'all, this was at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. After that stir, go on and pour your little beef broth up in there. I did beef broth, so like 80 beef broth and then like 20 water. And then put you some beef flavor bouillon up in there. Y'all know not to do too much of that shit, because that shit is potent. And y'all gonna be diabetic with all this salt. So yeah, go on and cover it up for an hour. That's what it looked like after an hour. Look at that cheese. Go on and spread your little cheese on there. You don't really have to do an hour, y'all, but I did an hour. Do like 30 to 45 minutes. Maybe 45 minutes. Go on and do 45 minutes. But yeah, put my cheese on there. It would be the motherfuckers that's lactose that want to add more cheese that I don't need. And then that's the finished product. Quick, easy, simple, budget friendly. I paired it with some spicy nacho Doritos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all, day ones. I'll see you on the next one.